If you want to rank higher on YouTube and make your videos more discoverable, SEO software for YouTube video optimization is a game changer. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use SEO software to boost your videos, making them more likely to be seen by a wider audience. Stick around till the end, because I'll also give you an exclusive offer that will help you optimize your videos with the right tools. First, let's talk about keyword research. When it comes to YouTube SEO, keywords are everything. Using SEO software, you can find the best keywords for your content based on search volume and competition. Look for keywords with a decent amount of searches but low competition. Once you've picked your target keywords, make sure to use them in your video's title, description, and tags. The SEO software will give you suggestions on which keywords are trending or are most likely to help your video rank. Next, let's talk about optimizing your video title. Your title should be clear, concise, and keyword rich. With the SEO software, you can test out different title variations to see which one performs best. Aim to put your primary keyword near the beginning of the title. It helps with ranking and gives viewers an immediate idea of what the video is about. A good title also needs to be compelling, so make sure it grabs attention while staying true to your content. When it comes to your video description, SEO software can help you by giving you ideas on how to incorporate your target keywords naturally into the first 150 characters. The description is a crucial ranking factor, so make sure it's optimized for search engines without sounding forced. The software will also suggest related keywords to include in the rest of the description, which can help improve your video's visibility on YouTube. Tags are another important aspect of video optimization. SEO software will recommend a list of tags that relate to your video and your target keywords. Use a combination of broad and specific tags, and don't forget to include keywords you didn't use in the title or description. The more relevant your tags are, the easier it will be for YouTube to categorize your video and show it to the right audience. Thumbnails are one of the first things people see when browsing YouTube, and an eye-catching thumbnail can drastically improve your click-through rate. Although SEO software doesn't directly help with designing thumbnails, it will provide insights into which types of thumbnails are performing well for similar content, so you can tailor yours accordingly. Another tip is to pay attention to video engagement. SEO software can track metrics like watch time, comments, likes, and shares. The more engagement your video gets, the higher it will rank. To boost engagement, encourage viewers to comment and ask questions. Responding to comments can also increase engagement and improve your rankings. Finally, don't forget about closed captions and subtitles. Using SEO software, you can check if your captions are optimized with your target keywords. Adding captions not only makes your content more accessible, but it also helps YouTube understand your video's content, which can lead to better ranking. Here's the key takeaway. SEO software is an essential tool for YouTube video optimization. By using it for keyword research, optimizing your title, description, and tags, and tracking engagement, you'll increase your chances of ranking higher and getting more views. Remember, the most important thing is consistency and optimization. Always keep improving your content based on what the software tells you. And before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial for the SEO software I recommend in the description below. You can follow along and get real-time optimization for your videos. So, to summarize, research your keywords, optimize your title, description, and tags, focus on engagement, and use the software to refine your strategy. That's how you can start using SEO software for YouTube video optimization today.